Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not joining Blox Fruits. It can be frustrating when you're eager to play but encounter connection issues. We'll start with some quick and easy checks to get you back into the game. First, always ensure your internet connection is stable and performing well. A simple restart of your device and the Roblox application can often resolve many common glitches, saving you time and effort. Let's dive in and troubleshoot these problems together. Moving on, sometimes the issue lies within the Roblox client itself or specific game settings. Clearing your Roblox cache is a crucial step, as it removes old data that might be causing conflicts. If your device struggles, try lowering your in-game graphics settings. This can significantly improve performance. Also, confirm that your firewall or antivirus software isn't mistakenly blocking Roblox. Finally, attempting to join a different Blox Fruits server might bypass a problematic one. Next, let's explore system and network-wide solutions that can impact your connection. Flushing your DNS cache can refresh your network's connection to game servers, often resolving stubborn issues. For persistent regional problems, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to establish a different connection path. Also, temporarily disabling any browser extensions might prevent interference with Roblox. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often fix corrupted files. Finally, if you're still encountering difficulties, there are advanced steps and support channels available. Always check official Roblox server status pages for any widespread outages affecting many players. If the problem persists, contacting Roblox support directly with detailed information about your issue is highly recommended. Reviewing community forums can also provide insights from other players who might have faced similar challenges. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.